Hi guys, so here is my screencast for going over my Google Drive. I use this for school. This is actually my school teacher Google Drive, and we're going to be looking at my 4th grade folder because I am teaching 4th grade this year. And as you can see, I have a bunch more folders. There's one for all the subjects that I teach: social studies, science, English and writing, reading, math, and spelling. And then I have a few extra documents down here of things that go over a few of my other classroom categories. We're going to go into my reading folder, and you guys can see I have, this is like a little document that goes over some assignments that I give to my students each week. This is a brochure that they have to fill out. And then this is an activity that I've created called Vocabulary Roll-A-Word. So yeah, I use Google Drive to store most of my files rather than keeping them in paper form, and I think it's very helpful to keep me organized, and if I need to find anything, I can just search my drive and it will pop up with what I need. So thank you for following my screencast.